Hi friends, welcome to the GKGV channel. Today we are going to be learning how to use an organic and natural wasp spray. So if you want to use this for your whole house to make sure the wasps don't get in, you might need a big one or a big sprayer. We are using the Roundup sprayer. Now we have to add half a liter of dishwashing soap into what you're going to spray it. Okay, I am using Cascade. Now we have to add some water.
Is this cool, guys? Ew, look at the blueness. It looks good, but you don't need it. You could die and you not die. You could get sick or something because that's chemicals in there. Okay? Now look inside there. This is for only killing wasps.
So now I've got it working. All you gotta do is spray it at the cracks or wherever you have wasps at your house. After you do that, you're good. Thanks for watching this video. Please press the like button, subscribe, comment, and share. Bye! As we were actually making the video, there was a wasp, and then we killed it using the method that we were using. Wow.